at the world premiere in Red Deer, Alberta for the movie called Change. So what are you hoping that this film is going to be about?
Well, I really don't know a lot about the background of it, but I've been a member at One to One Fitness, big fan of cable and the whole gym experience. So I'm hoping this will be an enlightening, motivating movie.
How excited are you to actually watch this film?
We can't wait to see it. It sounds like it'll be really great.
It's very true. I know they put a lot of sweat, equity into it, so we're hoping that everything turns out. We've got a lot of people here waiting. No stars yet, but they're on their way. And how excited are you?
Super excited. This is crazy. Stuff like this doesn't happen in Red Deer.
I think this is awesome. I think this is terrific. We've never had anything like this before. So this is a great opportunity.
I'm really excited. Stepping out of that limousine, all of a sudden I got really excited here.
There's a lot of people cheering for you. I mean, all these people came out to see you. And what are you hoping that people get from this film tonight?
That they can make a change for themselves.
Excellent. Well, I look forward to seeing the movie, so we'll catch up with you later. And what are you hoping that people get from this movie?
Any kind of change in your life that you can make that will benefit yourself.
It's been a privilege to work with them, and I'm glad to see everyone out here supporting them, and as well as each other that do the hard work that they do at One to One Fitness. So yeah.
Excellent. And so I've just got to ask, who inspired your outfit today?
You know what? I'm gonna say some of my family, and everything else just came to be.
So I'm standing here with one of the producers, Pat, here of this movie Change. How does it feel to have your vision come to life?
It's amazing. I think the biggest thing for us is having all of these people to come out and support not only the initiative and the film itself, but to show their support and appreciation for the cast and the journey that they've traveled.
We've got the director of the film Change. Drew, how does it feel to see all this come to life tonight?
Oh, it's just like a dream come true. I mean, it's been like 9 months in the works, and lots of blood, sweat, and tears have been put into like the editing, and it's just been hours and hours. I feel like I've been running a marathon, although I'm not the one that's necessarily the hero. It's the people in the movie, and it's really about the inspiration that it's going to give everybody that's going to see it, and hopefully it's going to just become something good.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
On like a scale of 1 to 10, how much?
9.
Oh, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. How about yourself?
I'd say 10.
10. That's awesome. Who dressed you today?
Cable dressed me.
Excellent. Good taste. Good taste. I like it. So how does it feel to see your vision and your dream come to life?
You know what? I just honestly can't believe that we're finally here. This project has been going on for so long. I just can't wait to share it with everyone, and I hope they love it as much as we do.
Excellent. Well, we're definitely going to catch up with you after the show, and we're all excited to see the movie. All right, so the show's about to begin. People are getting their seats, and I mean, you can smell the popcorn. The excitement is coming. So I'll catch you later after the show.